I've never been on a date with a puppet before.
Yes. Aren't I lovely looking tonight?
Yeah, I really like how your hair's pink tonight.
Yes, I decided against the blue.
Well, don't just sit there. Eat up. I made lasagna for us.
Oh, I don't actually eat. I just came to watch you eat.
They eat on Sesame Street. I know you eat. Stop trying to watch your weight.
Oh, okay, I fear I might stain myself, but sure, I'll go for it, I guess.
One plate of styrofoam-shaped cookies. Wait, let me fix this order.
So, are you a Republican or a Democrat?
I declared independent so that I could vote either way, and I know that's bad because you can't vote in the primaries, but I don't really want people to know my beliefs.
I wasn't actually interested in the conversation. I just wanted to watch you talk for a moment.
Be excited, puppet. This is why I date you.
One plate of styrofoam popcorn. Here we go.
Excellent, my favorite.